Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. In today's newspaper, in the additional of Saturday, June the 27th, 2020, we have here 6 Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. But first, we will start with a Sudoku with a 1 star. And before I start, I'm curious how many digits are printed in this puzzle set. So let's count. We have here 2, plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. This is 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27. So in this puzzle, there are 27 digits printed. Alright, so the 1 star, 27. So let's get started. Alright. I see here in the middle column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then how about these 3 missing numbers in this row? The middle row, the missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 9. Nope, we have the 9. 1, 3, and the 5 are missing. We see here 1 and a 3 in this big square, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Here we have the 1 and the 3. I marked them. It's easier for you to follow. Then we see here 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 here, so no 2 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. So we have a pair, the 2 and the 8. I marked them. It's easier to follow for you. Alright, so we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here, 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 1 in this big square. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here are 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then an 8 in the third row, an 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes, so the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then how about these two numbers in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then how about this row? One number left should be the 6. Then how about, let me see. Yeah. The 2 in the last column, the 2 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 2 here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last column, the numbers 8 and 1. Now we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, these two numbers in the last row, for the missing numbers here are the 3 and the 4. Do we have a 3 and a 4? No, 3 and a 4. I need to wait for more information. 3 and a 4, that means one digit left in this big square should be the 6. 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left, the 3 and the 4 in this column. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 3 goes there, 4 goes here, and one number left in this big square for the number 3. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And then how about the number? How about the number? We have a 6 there. 1 and a 3. We need a 6 here. All right. Yeah, we have a pair here in this row. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 7. I see here the 4 and the 6, so no 4 and the 6 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Here we have the 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. I marked them for you. It's easier to follow. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 3. And look, we have a pair, 1 and a 3 also. So we have a 7, 3 numbers left, the 1, 3, and the 2. The 2 is missing. Yes. I see in this column 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be here. 1, this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 now, so this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 and the 2 and the 3. Yes, 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. The numbers are 1 and a 9. And look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row. For the numbers 1 and 7, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. This will be this one. So see you later, and bye bye for now.